The training I received enabled me to acquire an employable skill. As a result, I am now able to make my living in this metal workshop. Girls studying at the Hamel Mala College of Agriculture are in significant number, and we are studying for our future.
As I strive to be a better person every day in every aspect of my life, I hope to be a role model to many Eritrean young girls. My name is Mika Labraha. I'm a medical doctor and I'm an Eritrean.
This is the story of women in today's Eritrea, a nation born only in 1991, 25 years ago. But it was not always so. Traditional Eritrean society was in fact deeply rooted in patriarchal attitudes and norms. These accounts celebrate the crucial role women played in Eritrea's 30-year war for national liberation. The new narrative sums up the remarkable achievements they have made since then in the political, economic, social and cultural spheres.
One of the features of the war for liberation was the active participation of women, which made up of 33% of the total membership of Eritrean People's Liberation Front. Because the front believes that without participation of women, liberation will not be possible. This principle gave birth to the National Union of Eritrean Women in 1979.
With the dawn of independence in 1991, the National Union of Eritrean Women committed itself to continue the advocacy work to free Eritrean women from any forms of discrimination and to empower and promote women's equal status in all aspects of life. Among its successes was raising the consciousness of women in securing their rights through participation in land reform policies.
The cultural norms of the society treats all its members alike, be it a guest, a resident, men, women, persons with disabilities and challenges, the elderly, children, no one is left behind.
Empowerment of women through eradicating illiteracy and providing functional education remains one of the central objectives of the National Union of Eritrean Women. Female enrollment and completion ratios in the adult literacy program stands currently above 90%.
I am among many who have benefited from the illiteracy eradication program. I am now campaigning to the other women to join us. We have received education free of charge, and now as an educated woman, I'd like to repay my debt to the society through my services. Education and work does not distinguish man from women. What I would like to tell women is that everything is possible and to follow their dreams.
Training to equip women with employable skills also constitutes an essential component of the union's activities. These focus on skills and craft trainings in areas of tailoring, embroidery, computer science, cooking, carpentry, operating heavy machines, driving, as well as surveying, among others.
With the opportunities of training provided to me, I'm now able to make my living as a carpenter, working alongside men.
To supplement the training program, a microcredit scheme was introduced in 1995. To date, over 20,000 women have been able to create various self-employment enterprises, which has enhanced their status and self-confidence.
I was given an interest-free loan to open this business. It was a success. Not only have I managed to return my loans on time, but also have plans to expand my business to the other parts of the town. Many women here have improved their living by the microcredit they have access to. We also extend home economics training on the use of the smokeless oven called Atanet.
Other major undertakings that the National Union of Eritrean Women took in cooperation with its international partners over the years was improvement of women's maternal health and eradication of harmful customary practices such as FGM, female genital mutilation. This was banned by law in 2007.
Female genital mutilation is an act of discrimination against women. We have been engaged in sensitizing on the rights of women in general and the dangers of FGM in particular. They have all understood the purpose of the sensitization campaign and have vowed to never again practice female circumcision.
Generally speaking, we have reduced 50% both maternal and infant mortality at the moment.
Other policies that guarantee women's rights include reserving 30% of seats in the national and regional assemblies for women and appointing women to high political positions. The government has also revised the Civil Code, Penal Code, and the labor law to eliminate any discriminatory clauses against women.
The main objective was building a far advanced, civilized and developed nation where its citizens live equally with guaranteed socio-economic and developmental progress based on human dignity.
The Union continues to play a key role in the advocacy, monitoring and evaluation of government plans, policies and programs, as well as their implementation from a gender perspective.
The current priority of the Eritrean people is targeted at economic development and growth, and the role of the NUEW to this end is to the active participation of women, raising their production capacity and thereby directing it towards higher outcome.
Women in Eritrea have secured the rights and opportunities to work for their advancement within society. These are enshrined in the laws of the country and fully articulated in the policies of the government.